name is Xiang. My student number is 5465904. Today I will show a presentation which based on my final report named a Combined Consolidated Method in Reclamation Land Project and the analysis of its performance. In this presentation, I will show my work in the following three aspects: the introduction, the literature review, and the final research design. The first thing I will show is the mind map. All the works in my final report are based on this mind map. From the mind map, we can see that the initial topic is soft soil improvement using vertical drains. The first time I saw this topic, I don't know how to make it more detailed, so I divided into three other subtopics as the type of drains, the directions, and the existing soft soil improvement methods. In the first part, my introduction is focused on the existing consolidated methods which are used in the consolidation projects. In the recent decades, there are many constructions based on the reclamation land, and particularly in the coastal cities, this method is very popular. The conception of prefabricated vertical drain is come from those methods which use preloading method before the reclamation, and it is acting on the whole process of the construction with a vertical drain. The advantage of PVD is that it can improve the pore water structure and the vacuum pressure at the same time, and that can make the bearing capacity and the soil share more strength for the upper construction. However, the shortage of PVD is obviously in a long depth of pending soil, such as if the depth is over 15 meters, then the performance of PVD will be less than upper the 10 meters. To compare it with some innovative methods, those innovative methods have its respectively advantage in some aspects. So at the last of the introduction, I provide the research question is a combined method is essential, which divides the depth of pending soil into reasonable soil layers, and provides we need to provide the best treatment targeting to each soil layer. The second part is literature review. We can see from the structure that I choose the four subtopics I used in the mind map to consist this part to analyze the current situation of PVD. And that's the first step. And then the simulation and the experiment are two major functions in analyzing the performance of PVD. The existing consolidated method, this part consists of several technologies, such as the injection of concentrate, the floating soil cement column, and stuff like that. The last part is innovative methods. Those methods such as calcium hydroxides and the injection of other chemical materials to increase the bearing capacity of the pending soil. The third part is my final research design. The first step is to restate the research question from my introduction. We can see that combined method is essential, and this combined method will divide the depending soil into several soil layers, and then I need to prove the best solution to treat each soil layer. In this design, I used two reference designs to show the reference and the data which I used to support my design. The first one is an analysis on the performance of both vertical and horizontal drain systems in the different depths of pending soft soil. In this design, I found that if the soil layer is about 0 to 2 meters, then the horizontal drain system will perform better than the vertical ones. But between the 2 meters and 10 meters, the vertical drains it shows its advantages in the change of pore water pressure. And the second design is the analysis on the performance of innovative methods, such as a proportion of injection of the calcium hydroxide. That is an innovative method which is used particularly in a high moisture water content soil. After that, I show my final design. The first step is to use compare the experiment and correlation methods. That is the basics of my data analysis. The second step is the hypothetical depth of drainage soil is 50 meters. That means it's much deeper than the current situation in the reclamation land projects. That can show the obvious difference between the traditional PVD method and the innovative ones. The third step is I use the 5 controlled groups. You can see from this to analyze the different performance of the related solution. The fourth step is the methods I used in this design is traditional PVD method, multi-structural separator, 3D drainage system, and solidified materials. The last step is I needed to test the performance of each soil layer in both laboratory and current situation. That can make a good comparison of the theoretical knowledge and current soil conditions. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching.